Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the show where we embark on thrilling adventures through the natural world, exploring its wonders and unraveling its secrets. I'm your host, Aristotle, and today we're going to delve into one of the most mesmerizing phenomena in the avian world, bird murmuration behavior. Imagine standing in a vast open landscape as the sky transforms into a swirling tapestry of life. Thousands of birds, often starlings, move in unison, their individual flights weaving together into an awe-inspiring dance. This spectacular display is not just a treat for the eyes, it's also a fascinating example of collective behavior, where individual birds respond to their environment and each other, creating a complex pattern that's greater than the sum of its parts. But what exactly is bird murmuration behavior? In everyday language, it refers to the phenomenon where large groups of birds, typically starlings, gather and fly together in coordinated patterns, often at dusk or dawn. This behavior has been observed and documented for centuries, with some of the earliest recorded descriptions dating back to ancient Greece. From a scientific perspective, bird murmuration behavior is a complex phenomenon that involves communication, coordination, and adaptability. Starlings, the most common species associated with murmurations, are highly social birds that thrive in large groups. They use a variety of signals, including visual cues, vocalizations, and even electromagnetic fields, to coordinate their behavior and respond to predators or other threats. One of the key mechanisms behind bird murmuration behavior is the concept of self-organization. This means that individual birds follow simple rules, such as stay close to your neighbors or avoid collisions, which leads to the emergence of complex patterns at the group level. Researchers have used computer simulations and mathematical models to study these patterns, revealing that they can be influenced by factors like flock size, predator presence, and environmental conditions. Our scientific understanding of bird murmuration behavior has evolved significantly over time, thanks to contributions from naturalists, biologists, and researchers. One of the pioneers in this field was the Italian biologist Ettore Majorana, who studied starling behavior in the 1950s. More recently, researchers have used advanced technologies like GPS tracking, camera traps, and machine learning algorithms to analyze murmuration patterns and understand the underlying dynamics. Some fascinating research findings have shed light on the intricacies of bird murmuration behavior. For example, studies have shown that starlings use a variety of tactics to evade predators, including dilution effects, where the sheer number of birds makes it difficult for predators to target individual birds. Other research has revealed that murmurations can be influenced by environmental factors like wind patterns, temperature, and humidity. But bird murmuration behavior is not just an intriguing spectacle, it also plays a critical role in ecological relationships. Starlings, as both predators and prey, influence insect populations through their foraging activities and serve as a food source for larger birds and mammals. Their murmurations can even affect local microclimates by altering wind patterns and possibly influencing seed dispersal. In terms of conservation, starlings face environmental challenges like habitat loss, climate change, and human persecution. Understanding and appreciating bird murmuration behavior can inspire us to take action in preserving these species and their habitats. In the UK, for instance, starling murmurations can be seen at various locations, including the famous Avalon marshes in Somerset. These gatherings can attract thousands of birds, creating a breathtaking display of aerial acrobatics. In North America, similar murmurations can be observed in places like the Great Plains, where large flocks of starlings congregate during migration periods. Researchers have also studied murmuration patterns in other species, such as sandpipers and dunlins, which exhibit similar collective behavior. It shows us that even in a world dominated by human activity, there are still moments of pure wonder waiting to be discovered. It reminds us of the beauty of collective action and the strength found in unity. And perhaps, most importantly, it invites us to step outside, look up at the sky, and reconnect with the natural world. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.